Hello, Marist University. Today, it's time for a change. After careful consideration, I have decided that we will no longer be the Marist Red Foxes. It's time to retire Frankie. From now on, we are going to be the Marist Mini Australian Labradoodles. Let me introduce you to our new mascot, Frankie. Frankie the Mini Australian Labradoodle. Let me tell you, there's a lot of excitement on the Marist campus for this change.
The student athletes are so excited. The Marist Mini Australian Labradoodles. It rolls right off the tongue.
Here we go, Mini Australian Labradoodles! Let's go!
I think it's really cool. No other school has a designer dog as their mascot. Even better, one that fits in your bag.
Please know that I did not make this decision lightly. Red Foxes were the perfect mascot. They're smart and tough. They've survived in the wild for millions of years. But that's boring. In this day and age of short attention spans and artificial intelligence, I think it's time Marist had a mascot that was created in a lab in the 1980s.
Many Australian Labradoodles are perfect for everyone. They don't shed, they're hypoallergenic, which means they don't aggravate people's allergies.
Red Foxes. Let's just say they're a mess.
One problem though, many Australian Labradoodles think that every ball is theirs. So we're gonna need to keep Frankie away from all of our sports that use a ball. So volleyball, softball, baseball, water polo, lacrosse, football, soccer, basketball, tennis. But Frankie's gonna be really great at cheering on our cross-country team. I hope you're so proud to now be part of Marist Mini Australian Labradoodle Nation. And remember, once a Mini Australian Labradoodle, always a Mini Australian Labradoodle. So I'm gonna make him a little smaller now.